Today we'll be checking out the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace Correios Shipping plugin that basically provides the Correios shipping method for shipping the products within the Brazilian postal code. And using this shipping module, the marketplace vendors as well as the marketplace admin can manage the shipping in and the orders from their own panels, and can generate the invoice, can enter the tracking ID, and can complete the shipping management under the own account panels for the vendors as well as for the marketplace admin. Now I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the storefront, and then we'll be seeing the initial configurations that are required for this particular plugin. And this works for the Brazilian postal codes only, so the address should be of the Brazilian system there. So here you can see that I'm on the within the shopping cart right now. I have a product that's the brown boot, and here's the country Brazil, the state is Sao Paulo, the zip code is there, and according to that the marketplace courier shipping has been provided here to the customer, and the customer can easily choose any one of the shipping carriers here for the marketplace couriers so as to get their products delivered at their home steps. Now before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. A customer just needs to add the products into the cart, and then he can tap on the proceed to checkout button directly, or he can go into the view and edit cart and can select the shipping method and then can proceed to the checkout thereafter. Here you can see that the shipping addresses of the Brazilian postal code there, and if I scroll down here we have the shipping methods, and here we can see the shipping method name, that's the marketplace Correios Shipping. This is the one this is the shipping name that the admin has set up from the backend that is visible to the customers there. And we have two carriers or two methods there, that's the pack and the sedex. Now according to the customer's requirement, the customer can choose any one of them and can then tap on the next button to proceed further, wherein he'll be selecting his what we say as the payment method, and can then make a payment and can place the order there. Now under the order summary as well, the customer can find the shipping method that is used, that's the marketplace courier shipping, and the carrier is the, or the method name is the pack one for $39.50. So let's place the order. After placing the order, the same shipping method that was chosen by the customer is visible to the customers under their own my order history, so we'll see that as well. So the order has been placed and the order number is 411. So let's check the order under the customer account there. Here's the brown boot that we had ordered, and here's the shipping method, that's the marketplace courier shipping method, and the service is, or the method name is the pack one, and the billing address is of the Brazilian postal code itself. Now that was the customers, and now the marketplace vendors, what they need to do is they need to set up the length, width and height of their products and the weight as well, so that this particular plugin helps to generate the shipping carriers and the amount for them. The marketplace vendor just needs to navigate to the my product list, and there he'll be able to set the length, width and height of his product. So for example, we have the brown boot, so I'll edit that up. I'll tap OK on the prompt there, and on the edit product page I'll just scroll down to the section wherein I'll be able to add the height, width and the length of the product there, and also kindly note that there should be the weight should be there for the product itself. So that's how the marketplace vendors can set up the length, width, height and the weight of their products, and then these products, when purchased by the customers, the particular marketplace courier shipping is then visible to the customers there, so that they can select any one of the carriers there to get their orders delivered at their home steps. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see how the admin can make the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. Also kindly note that the same is available for the admin's product as well. If you're going to place the order for the admin's product, then you'll also be able to see the marketplace courier shipping methods there for selection for getting your orders delivered using the marketplace courier shipping shipment system there. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel. So I'll be entering the username, password, and I'll be tapping on the sign in button thereafter. Also kindly note that this multimedia marketplace Correios Shipping plugin is an add-on to the Magento 2 multimedia marketplace by Webkul. So you'll have to have that particular plugin first, and thereafter you'll be able to make use of the marketplace Correios Shipping method. Now after you have successfully installed this particular plugin, for the initial configuration you'll have to navigate to stores and then configuration, and on the configuration page just under the Webkul I'm sorry for that, on the configuration page we'll have to navigate to the section. I'll just show you that. We'll have to go to the section that's the sales, and under sales we'll have to go to the shipping methods, and here you'll find the marketplace Correios Shipping. Here's the Webkul marketplace Correios Shipping, as you can see, and here we have different configurations that need to be selected before making use of this plugin. Now kindly note that the shipping methods that would be available, like the pack and the sedex, some of them are without the contract and some are with the contract, so you'll have to check that itself. So the very first option here is to enable this particular shipping method for the checkout. So for that you'll have to choose a yes. Otherwise, to disable this particular shipping method at the time of checkout, you can choose it as a no. So for now we'll set it as yes. Now this is the same title that is visible to the customers at the checkout time, and after placing the order as well, this title is visible along with the shipping method or the shipping carrier there. So we were seeing the pack one and the sedex one at the front end, and here you need to enter your account code and the account password if you're using a contract there. So you'll have to have an account at Correios as well. Thereafter you can choose the shipping methods that should be available to the customers, and so for the shipping methods you can choose without contract if you do not have an account with the Correios Shipping, and if you choose the carrier or the shipping methods for the with contract, that means if you are having an account with the Correios Shipping. Then we have the other options like the use stated value. So it's the additional service that guarantees the real value of the object posted under the registration in case of a failure or a loss, warranty of the compensation of the object's stated value in case of loss and the deviation or the damage. There you can also find the use receipt warning. So it's an additional service that that through the completion of this own form allows to prove with the sender the delivery of the object itself. You also have the use own hands. It's also an additional service by which the sender receives the guarantee that the object by him posted under the registry will be delivered only to the recipient himself by confirming his identity. Then we have the add delivery time. So here you can add the delivery time. Then you have the show delivery time. So here you can select this option as a yes to show the delivery time at the front end to the customers. Then you have the calculate handling fee. So it can be set as fixed or percentage depending upon your requirement, and then you can set up the handling fee within this particular section here. You can set the sort order for this particular shipping method at the checkout time. You can show the method if not applicable. So if the method is not applicable for a particular zip code, then this particular error message would be shown to the customers at the checkout time there. So that was much about the configuration of the Webkul's marketplace Correios Shipping plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the same. And so the admin can manage the orders from there and by generating the invoices, creating the shipment there. So the same goes for the marketplace vendors as well. So for example, if I go to my account here for the marketplace vendor, and then I'll be going to the section that's my order history. So from here we can check the orders that have been placed using the Correios Shipping there. So this is the pending order. Let's view this particular order. So the vendors would be able to manage their orders only if the admin has allowed that from the marketplace configuration settings. So from here you can generate the invoice. Let's generate the invoice. We can print the invoice details as well. Thereafter we should have the what we say as the tracking number. If we have the tracking number, we can add that particular tracking number, and can generate the shipment thereafter. So here as well you can see the shipping and handling charges are visible here, and if I scroll down, here's the shipping method that has been used by the customer. That's the marketplace Correios Shipping, and the shipping method name is pack. Now to generate the tracking number, the vendor needs to enter the tracking number, and thereafter he can tap here on the shipment to generate the shipment. And after generation of the shipment there, he can print the shipping slips as well. So if I go to the shipments here, just give me a second for that. So here as well you can see that under the shipping and tracking info we have the marketplace Correios Shipping, and the shipping method name is the pack one. And if I want to print the shipment, I can tap here on the print shipment button, as you can see. And let's open this particular file that we have. We can take a printout of the same, and it would be having the details there of the shipping method used, and the amount as well. So let me open that up in a second. So here you can see that here's the shipping address of Brazil itself, and here we have the payment method, and here we have the shipping method name, that's the marketplace Correios Shipping, and the shipping method name is pack. And here you can see the title is pack. The total shipping charges are $39.50, and the tracking number is also visible on the same. So yes, that was much about the plugin. That's the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace Correios Shipping plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do get back to us at support@webkul.com. You can raise a ticket at webkul.uis.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, well, kindly do give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.